In this video, I'm going to tell you how to measure user experience of your product. And to measure this overall user experience, you need to measure the usability of a product. How usable is your product for your target audience? So after understanding in which of these three parameters your product is lagging, you can make the focused improvements so you can build the loyalty of your customers. Hi, my name is Prajakta Sarfare. I'm a UX designer and I share user experience design fundamentals in very simple language so you can use it for your online business. Let's get started. If you have an existing website and application, then you can run this experiment on it and understand the usability of your product. To run this experiment, you need minimum 10 to 15 participants from your target audience. So, here are the three parameters with which you can measure the usability of your product. First parameter, the time consideration, the time taken to complete the whole task. A task could be buying something from your website if it's an e-commerce, or subscribing for your channel, or subscribing to your newsletter list. Any one of them. So this is a task which you should give it to target audiences. So in this case, if you have 15 people participating for this experiment, then tell them to complete this task. Give them the task and note down that how much time, overall time, did the participant took to complete the task. What you will understand towards the end of it, that are they easily able to complete the task, or are they taking much longer time to complete the task which has been given to them. You will be able to improve the navigation in such a manner where the time taken to complete the task can be reduced. So this is the insight that you will get it from this first measurement. Second parameter is about the completion. Out of 15 people, if they are participating in this experiment, then out of 15 people, how many of them were able to complete the task? If you realize at the end of the experiment that more than 50% of people were not able to complete the task, they were not able to, it's not that they didn't want it to, but they were not able to complete the task, they were not able to buy something from your site or send a subscription request to you, then this is a red flag. That means that they are not able to navigate. There is some kind of big roadblock in the user journey that you need to address it as soon as possible. So get that measurement to understand that how many of them are able to complete the task. Third parameter to test is about satisfaction level. Now your product, was it easy for them to use? Were they happy using this platform, or were they suggesting some other website or an application? They were referring to it and telling that that had a better experience than yours. Then you should consider taking that insight and start working on the user experience betterment, user experience journey betterment for your application. In the world of competition, and when there are so many similar products available in the market, this parameter of satisfaction has become a mandatory for you if you want to not just sell your services, but you want to build happy and loyal customer base. That's it in this video. If you have found some value in this video, then do share it with someone who has an online business. This is Prajakta signing off. Remember, awareness is a key to improve user experience.